Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the absolute value. I'll not go in much in detail to make you confused. As we start working and we move question by question, you will understand it more better way. So simply the something which is written inside the vertical line, that is called absolute or modulus. Okay, how it work out, or what is the function of these two vertical line? Okay, something when comes out of these vertical lines, it return always positive values, always return positive values. Okay, either I am placing the negative at the place of x or positive, but always it returns the negative. It means the positive is going to be turned out positive, but negative also it is making positive. That is the I can say the work of absolute or vertical lines. It makes the negative value to the positive also it returns positive, but negative also it make it positive. So whenever it is removed or something, the quantity which is inside the vertical line come outside, always comes as a positive. Okay, just let me adjust little camera. I think so it is not making text clear. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, so like suppose for example, if I have written -3, then it returned 3. If I write 3, +3, then also it is going to be 3. Okay, so in another way, what I can say, suppose if I write modulus of x or absolute of x equals to 3, what the value you can place over here at the place of x, we have seen just now. What the x can take the values? X can take the value -3 and 3, because -3 will be placed, then also it is going to be 3, and if we are placing 3, then also it is going to be 3. Or another way, if I write instead of this directly, if I want to get the solution of this, whenever the vertical lines are removed, this side quantity, whatever the quantity is present on this side, that quantity is written with positive and negative. Okay, so this vertical lines are removed, and what I can write? I can write +-3. It means x is going to be 3 and x is going to be -3. So that is going to be the solution set for x equals to -3 and 3. But the condition is always the absolute exists when this side quantity is positive. If it is negative, then in that case, suppose for example I write before you, if I write modulus of x is equals to -5, so whatever the value will be placed over here at the place of x, it is always going to be turned out as a positive. Correct? It will never give you -5. Will never. Absolute the property, it return always a positive value. So this part is going to be positive always, and this part is going to be negative. It means left hand side is never going to be equals to right hand side. So in that case, no solution. In this case, no solution. This part quantity always should be positive. Like suppose if I say find out the value of x when it is given modulus or absolute of x -3 equals to 5. What the value I need to replace over here at the place of x, which will return you 5. Now suppose I am not able to do, and it is not as simple as the previous question. So what I need to do, whenever this quantity, this absolute sign is being removed, this side part is always written with positive and negative. So I am going to write x -3 equals to 5 first time positive, and second time I am going to write with the negative. Okay, now I need to solve it out this. So to remove this -3 to this side, what I need to do, I need to add +3 both sides. This is cancel out, so x equals to 8. Now this I need to shift, so x -3 plus 3 equals to -5 plus 3. So x equals to -2. So what the solution is going to be, the x for x -2 and 8. Okay, now you can see if I place over here negative 2, negative 2, negative 3, what is going to be? It's negative 5. Negative 5 means it is 5. Can you see? And that side also the equation was our modulus of x minus 3 equals to 5. So when I have placed negative 2, it is returning negative 5, that is equals to 5. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay. When you place 8 in this equation, I am going to place 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. That is also going to be the 5. So this is the way how we can solve it out. Thank you.